Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So friends, in this video we will learn the daily routine. I hope you are all well, you all are good. So let's start. So firstly, there are 4 to 5 steps that we have to follow while speaking about your daily routine, right? So what is your morning routine? What is your morning routine? So morning routine means what you have done in morning. All right. Second one is if you are working professional, then you have to explain about your work routine. Or if you are going for, if you are a student and you are going for a school and college, then you have to mention your college routine. All right. Next one is activities routine, which is afternoon activity, right? So here you have to mention your midday routine, etc. All right. And after that you have to mention evening relaxation, what you did in your evening time, like what is your evening timing for the in the daily routine steps. All right. And the last one is night routine, at the end of the once you go to your bed, so what is your routine. All right. And after, at the end of this, you have to mention, you have to conclude about your daily routine, what is your good and what is your bad things. All right. So we will start from first, like in the case of morning. Firstly, everyone have to be speak, if he or she is speaking about the daily routine, so they have to conclude about the morning routine, right? So as for my morning routine, I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning, right? After that I freshen up and I took a shower. All right. After that I go to gym. Once I back from gym, I took a shower again, and I took a breakfast. You can say I have a healthy breakfast. A healthy breakfast means you will add a, it means eggs, a glass of milk, and toast or crackle, etc, right? And spend some time planning for my life. I used to spend 10 to 15 minutes, like what we have to do in whole day, right? So this is my morning routine that I have follow. Next one is I just work. I After that I go to office, and I obviously plan for office work. So here I mentioned from like if I have a lots of things to do in a daily basis, so I just prioritize on that thing. So what is the, you can say what is the main things that I have to do. ठीक है. So start works or classes time, boss इसमें in this things, lots of audience is student, right? So they have to mention their classes. Once they reach their school, they have to speak about their classes, like first class is for math, second class is for English. All right, like this. As per my, I am a job worker, so as per my, I just check my mails, complete task, whatever task is assigned by the managers or assigned by the companies or any other team members, like fulfillment or marketing strategy. So I just prioritize and finish that work. After that I took a short break, approx 10 minutes, around 12 to 1 p.m. All right. And I usually do the lunch around you can say 2 to 3 p.m. I usually do the lunch. All right. In the afternoon activities, that I have to mention the midday routine, right? What is midday routine? Midday routine, you can say you have lunch. I have just, as I told, I have lunch around 2 to 3 p.m. All right. After that I go for a walk or relax for a bit. I go for walk. Once I came from work, continue working. After that I can continue working. If you are a student, then you can say I continue study. All right. I attend meeting if I have a scheduled any meeting. So I usually told all the people that you can schedule the meeting at the end of day, it means evening time, right? If you are students, so you have to mention your coaching classes, about coaching classes. So once you come back from your school, you went to coaching classes. All right. In the evening relaxation, you can say winding down. Once your whole day is completed, so what will you do? What I do, I am just telling about it. I just finishing my work by 6:30. Actually, my office timing is 10 to 7, so I just finishing up my time, my work by 6:30 or 6 p.m. Right? And usually I spend a few times like 10 to 15 or 30 minutes to read the books. Actually, I have habitual to read the novel and all, so it is my favorite time at only 30 minutes that I get for the reading the novels and all right. After that I came to my home, and I just have a dinner with my family around 8 o'clock, right? 8 o'clock. And i just uh, I just analyze all these things like what I did in my whole day. All right. So that we can plan for future, plan for tomorrow as well. Like what I have missed today, right? If I'm not able to make the videos today, so this is my first thing that I have to prepare this video for tomorrow as well. All right. If I haven't read the books, what is my favorite things, though I will ensure that tomorrow I have to read the, this is first my prioritize. So this is also I mentioned in my daily routine that I prioritize my work, what will be do for tomorrow. In the night routine, what I do ending of my day, relax by listening music. Some of the people are just watching TV, newspaper, news, and most of the person watching movies, right? So I just listening music, because it's help to mind, like I am very much relaxed mood, right? So it is I think good thing. This is the types of meditation. If you are not listening the movie, you can also do a meditation, there is no issue. All right. After that I set a alarm for next day. I usually set the alarm at 6 a.m. and I try to wake up at 6:15 to 6 a.m. All right. Actually, it's very complicated to wake up in the morning, right? So this is the uh, all about things. And at around 10:30 to 11 p.m. I go to my bed, and that's that's all done from my side. So what is the good thing, as you have to think about it, what is the good thing that makes your life balance if you are working? So it will be very critical to manage your you can say day-to-day things and your life balance. It's very critical. So how will you manage? So you have to follow the daily routine steps. This helps you to improve, like uh, what is the lag that enhancing you, right? So what I did, my routine helps me to stay productive and relaxed. As you know, I take a nap around 10 to 15 minutes in a day. So this is also helped me, and it is a mix of work, learning, and self-care. So I have to put all these things that what I am doing. Suppose if I am doing a job, so is it relevant for my future point of view? Is it help to me that I will improve each and everything in the future, 4 to 5 years ago? And what I learned today. So this is the big things that you have to follow, like what you learned today, right? And you just have to prepare all those things in written down. And this is all about the daily routine. I think it is very summarized and very helpful what we told right now. So you have to do the same, you have to do the same. This conversation is happening only for the English language, right? I know you are not able to speak fluent English, but once you watch this video, once you think like what I am thinking, what I have done, what is my daily routine, how to inbuild in yourself what is lack of learning. So I think this will be very helpful. All right. So that's all about from my side. Thank you so much for the listening. If you are feeling good, so please like and share this video. All right. Jai Hind.